can use the case, the title method that we used. So we will say f string hello. Hello full named title. Oh, I have to do it here. Okay, print a string hello, and then we have curly brackets full name dot title. And there we go. Hello Ada Lovelace in a title case. And then we have adding white space to strings with tabs and new lines. To add a tab to your text, use the combination /t. To add a new line in a string, use the character combination /n. You can also combine tabs and new lines in a string. So stripping white space. Extra white space can be confusing in our programs. To programmers, Python and Python look pretty much the same, but to a program they are two different strings. So Python detects the extra space in Python and consider it significant unless you tell it otherwise. So we have removing prefixes. When working with strings, another common task is to remove a prefix. Consider a URL with some common mistake. To remove the prefix, we can focus on the part of the URL. And then avoiding syntax errors with string, we have apostrophe .py. Message is equals to one of Python's strength is in its diverse community. Print message. I don't know, I don't have that, but let's do it. So we have sorry, apostrophe.py. Oh. Apostrophe.py. So we have message is equals to one of Python's strengths is its diverse community. And there we go. So one of Python's strengths is its diverse community. So the apostrophe appears inside a set of double quotes, so the Python interpreter has no trouble reading the string. However, if you use single quotes, Python can't identify where the string should end. for example, if I change the this oh, this let's see, there we go. So we have an error.
Matt, I'm not able to hear you anymore.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Google. Google. Hello. Google, can you hear me? So lastly we have numbers. Numbers are used quite often in programming to keep score in games, represent data in visualizations, store information in web applications, and so on. And then Python treats numbers in several different ways depending on how they're being used. So we have integers, which is a normal number, 2 plus 3, 3 minus 2, 2 times 3, 3 divided by 2, are normal numbers. And then
Yes, I can.
You can hear me now. And then we have float, which are decimal, a number which has a decimal place. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 7, and so forth. And then we have the underscores in numbers. We can use them if we have a long number. So for example, we have 40 million. We can use underscores to separate the zeros so that we are able to to know how much we have. And then we have constant. A constant is a variable whose value stays the same throughout the life of a program. Python doesn't have built-in constant types, but Python programmers use all capital letters to indicate a variable should be treated as a constant and never changed. Yeah, so we also have comment. If you want to comment in Python, we use the hashtag. So hashtag say hello to everyone. This is a comment in Python. And yeah, that's it. I am done with chapter 2. Thank you.